This is Marx GEX 4583 revolving searchlight car, and I picked it up at the Allentown show for $7. It was missing the searchlight. It was also missing the yoke. So I had some spare yokes from, I collect searchlight cars and I find the broken ones and use them for parts because I can pick them up pretty cheap off the bay. And I took the searchlight and I cut out the bottom like Marx did, and I was able to take the yoke and drill through it and sand it so it was nice, and then I glued it right to the top of the little revolving wheel. There's a little like rubber band like thing in here, and there's a gear driven thing here that makes that searchlight spin. So we'll test it out. I've got it all fixed and ready to go. Alright, it works great. I was afraid the glue might get on the wheel a little bit and cause a problem, but it didn't. It let everything dry good. And so, and now for about $10 I have another revolving searchlight car. People on eBay especially are pretty proud of them. They usually go for like $50, $60 or more. So again, thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.